for the novel coronavirus.
Enhance community quarantine.
No face-to-face.
Positive patients ay
Kailangan na ngayong magpa-swab test.
araw-araw.
It has been almost 2 years since we faced the war against COVID-19 pandemic and continue to fight up to this present, which many of us are affected and suffered physically, mentally, and most of all, financially. But we have proven that we can fight this crisis even in the simplest way by means of giving and encouraging everyone to be more positive in whatever situations are. So I stand with this advocacy to help strengthen and unite my fellow students to have integrity by reviving basic activities related to prevent, reduce, and eradicate the effect of COVID-19. I firmly believe that I can use social media as platform to motivate others using some of the interesting physical activities that can help, encourage, and enjoy every moment of it to feel more relaxed and calm, like for example, dancing with the use of energetic TikTok dance step, do basic stretching exercise, and eat healthy food using health tips guidelines. It is our greatest weapon to resist viruses around us. In connection with this is to support mental health awareness. A lot of students are suffering because of this isolation, resulting to some serious illnesses that if not taken into consideration might result to something worse. I would like to alleviate my fellow students through sports and expanding physical and moral skills to distract them from the effect of this growing and unending pandemic. Bilang magiging paratokdo sa maabot na panahon, I am grateful that I will be able to share my knowledge to my future students and teach them to be active in all aspects and unite at all times. Sa pagkakasalaro, kaya ta ini, padayon sa to gabos. Diyos mabalos sa Indogabos, my name is Lalwani M. Mabines. A second-year representative